So over here you can see that I have this project right here, and then this is actually saved as example project.mpp. That is Microsoft project file right here. If I were to go around and then let's say, for example, make a change over here, add in any additional data, and then go to file and save, then what happens is that it'll replace out the data over here on this exact file. That is what the save does. But if I want to create another copy of the same file right here, that is the same project, then what I can do is I can utilize an option called Save As. So to do that, I can go to the file menu, and over here you can see that Save As is an option right here. And if I were to go around and click on Save As, you can go around and click on Browse right here. Once you do that, I'm just going to go around onto my desktop, and here I can save this out as, let's say, for example, example project 2 right here. Or you can go around and save it in other formats that are supported as well. For example, as a PDF or XML or CSV, but I'm just going to stick to the original format right now for this video lesson. And once this is done, I'm going to click on Save right here. And once I do that, what happens is that now it says example project 2. If I were to go around over here, you can see the example project 2 right here. So if I were to go around and make certain changes right here, and then if I were to save it or press Ctrl S to save it, then it is being saved on example project 2 right here, while our original file remains as it is. If I were to go around onto the file menu, here you can see under the recent project, there's the example project 2 and the example project. So if I were to choose example project, then you can not see the new data that we entered out right here. But if I were to go around and double click on this, you can see that the old data, that is the new data, is here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the save and save as option inside of Microsoft Project to create multiple versions of the same project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.